In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create Jira issues from a list with bulk import. To make this process smooth, the most important part happens before you even open Jira. Start by organizing your list into a clean table using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Then save that file as a CSV. Jira reads each column in that spreadsheet as a field, so your headers need to be clear and intentional. There are a few key columns you should include. First is summary, which is the required title or name of each Jira issue. Then add description for background details, notes, or context about the ticket. You will also need issue type, where each row should clearly say whether it's a task, story, bug, or epic. Add priority as well, so Jira knows how urgent each item is, such as high, medium, or low. If your items need multiple labels or components, create separate identical columns using the header label with one value per column. This helps Jira correctly read multiple label values during import. Once your CSV is ready, open Jira and go to Filters. Then search Work Items, or View All Issues depending on your layout. In the top right corner, click the More Actions button with the 3 dots. Then choose Import Work Items from CSV. On the Bulk Create Setup page, click Choose File and upload your local CSV file. If this is your first time importing, leave the existing configuration box blank. Next, choose the destination Jira project where you want these new issues to be created. Also make sure the file encoding is set to UTF-8, since that helps prevent character formatting problems. Jira will then show the headers from your CSV and ask you to map fields. This is where you connect each spreadsheet column to the correct Jira field. For example, match your summary column to Jira's summary field, description to description, and so on. Take your time here because accurate field mapping is what makes the import work properly. After that, you will move to mapping field values. This lets you align the specific text used in your spreadsheet with Jira's own values. For instance, if your sheet uses critical, but Jira uses highest, you can map those so they match correctly. Before importing, click Validate. This step is really helpful because it checks for structural issues, missing required fields, or formatting problems such as invalid dates. If everything looks good, click Begin Import to send the data into Jira. Once the import finishes, refresh your projects board or backlog to view all your newly created tickets. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.